Hi, Billy. My name's Corey. Caitlin told me to send over this screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online. Really getting that quality traffic that you're looking for as well. I got your website pulled up here. The three things that I'm actually going to go over is a content, citations, and a backlinks. I'm just going to do a quick little run through. Um, so Google, really the first step to getting on that first page of Google and ranking really comes down to having a lot of authoric content. So I would really recommend being about 15 to 2,000 words of content. Plus you need enough content in there so that way we can layer other keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what these are saved as, it all matters. It's all content, and Google actually sees that. You have the letter A is for what that's saved as. Anyway, so if I go over into AC Repair Orlando, Florida, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. These are actually brand new with Google. They came up with these Google guarantees to help get away from those old school traditional ads. They're actually like more of a trial run, really. A lot of people they hate these ads because of all those spammy phone calls or anything. A lot of spam calls that come through this. Anyway, I don't know if you're doing ads. I'll see here in a minute. But so they came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Underneath that, we have this little map section. Now, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section here is really going to be dealing with all that organic traffic. And to get the rankings in this section right here comes down to having that authoric content being found for those certain keywords, as well as what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go inside of your website here and take your URL and put it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So right now you got 124 referring domains, which is pushing back 3.3 thousand backlinks. Historically, you've had about 26,000. You started your website back in 2013 or so, and your traffic total is about 244 clicks every single month with that as well. It looks like you're not running any ads. The PPC stands for pay-per-click. So these 240 clicks, you can actually see where people are actually typing in for how your website's actually being found. So, and that's in the keywords here. If that wants to pull up for me. Give it a second. There it goes. All right, so these are the keywords. This is how your website's actually being found. You got the alternative plumbing, Serviceone Air, heat pump versus AC in Florida. Serviceone Air, you got your name quite a bit at the top. Really what I'm looking for is those buying intent keywords, like AC Repair Longwood FL. That's a buyer's intent keyword, and there's 20 clicks every single month here. So there's a pool leak detection or Orlando. I don't know if you're getting work off that. Serviceone Plumbing, got your name there again. Orlando Air Conditioning Service, there you go. Looks like you got an ad spot on there as well. There's 60 clicks every single month with that one keyword. In your 20th position as well. So you're missing all the traffic. Auto air, HVAC, airflow problems. Yeah, let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Dell Air. Now, if I take their URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, let me do a quick overview with them real quick. So they got 442 referring domains, which is pushing back just under 4,000 backlinks. They got just under 9,000 keywords that they're actually being found for, and they have about 6.4 thousand clicks every month to their website. They are running ads as well. That PPC is for pay-per-click, so and there's 4, so it looks like they are running ads. But really, I kind of want to show. We don't have to rank for all these keywords, but I want to give you some examples of the keywords I actually want to be ranked for. Hang on one second. AC installation Orlando. There's 80 clicks every month. They're first position, so they're getting a lot of traffic from that one keyword. Air conditioning Orlando FL, another 200 clicks every single month. Air conditioner repair Orlando FL, another 60 clicks. Dell, let's go to the second page. So yeah, they have a lot of keywords that we can actually go and grab and use those same keywords. And if we actually counted the volume, there's Del Air Kissimmee, Florida. That's not a keyword. AC repair Claremont FL, another 60 clicks. So we'd want to go through all these different keywords. Yeah, so just going after those same keywords that we're actually ranking for, having the content behind it, so we actually can be found for those keywords, and also having authoric backlinks, which is going to drive that those keywords to that first page of Google there. Anyway, if you see any value of anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan. Feel free to reach out to me. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.